We're back to a normal weather pattern for this time of year with warm weather and lots of sunshine across the country with a few thunder showers forming in the afternoon. On our satellite, you'll see them popping up over Gauteng, parts of the northwest and Free State, as well as Limpopo and Mpumalanga on Tuesday afternoon. Overnight, we can expect some clouds to move in along the southwest coast, and that's ahead of a cold front which brings about a change in the weather on Wednesday, resulting in mostly cloudy conditions and the possibility of rainfall, predominantly along the Western Cape coast with a cooler day forecast. We're also expecting isolated thundershowers over the northeastern and eastern interior, with rain reaching the KwaZulu-Natal coast on Wednesday night. For tonight, though, we're expecting the highest chance of rainfall over parts of Limpopo, with scattered thundershowers in the forecast, with up to a 40% chance of thundershowers for Gauteng, parts of the northwest, Mpumalanga and the Free State, and we're expecting a slight chance of prefrontal rain along the southern Cape coastline. In Cape Town tonight, we'll see the cloud build up with a minimum temperature of 16 degrees with a westerly wind of up to 35 kilometers per hour. And then the cold front brings in rainfall for Cape Town with a maximum of 20 degrees with a southwesterly wind of up to 25 kilometers per hour. On our wind map, you'll start to see a northerly to northwesterly wind forming over the interior with a southwesterly wind along the coast from Cape Town all the way through to Richards Bay, with strong wind speeds expected for the Eastern Cape, particularly on Wednesday afternoon. Overnight, things are starting to feel quite chilly across the interior, with a minimum of 12 degrees for Dar, only 11 for Uppington and Springbok, 3 degrees for Sutherland and Graaff-Reinet at 10. 15 as we head into Johannesburg and Bloemfontein, 17 for Mahikeng, Pretoria and Polokwane, as well as Port Elizabeth and Pietermaritzburg, 21 along the KwaZulu-Natal coast, and George dropping to 15 degrees overnight. Tomorrow we're expecting a high of 26 for Johannesburg, Pretoria 28, 33 degrees with a hot Wednesday in store for Bombela and Richards Bay, in the mid-20s along the Eastern Cape coast, 23 for Sutherland and George, but still hot for Kimberley with a high of 32, and Uppington and Mahikeng topping 30 degrees. On Thursday, we're expecting a predominantly dry forecast over the interior, other than a few showers for Polokwane and Bombela, with a possibility of rain along the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coast, but that rainfall clearing out of the Western Cape quite quickly. By Friday, sunny weather is forecast over the western and southern part of South Africa, but with those thunder showers returning to the forecast in the northeast, with a high of 26 for Pretoria. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Know more about your world. eNCA.com